This is the Förster Technik Vario Plus calf feeder. Some of the key features of this machine are the hopper with 50 kilo hopper capacity, stainless steel robust construction, also a fly protection door here to stop flies from getting in. We have the mixer here, which will mix in small portions upon demand. The machine is capable of feeding up to 4 feed stations. You could start with one machine with 1 station, up to 30 calves, 2 stations, 60 calves, and you can also add a 3rd and 4th station, which will then take us up to 120 calves. The system uses automatic electronic identification. The calves can have an ear tag or a collar, which identifies the calf when it walks into the feed station. As the calf comes into the station, it's identified and then fed the ration that is set into the computer on the machine itself. The milk is mixed individually for that calf and dispensed directly to that calf on a fresh basis. You can program the feeders with a feed plan that allows you to achieve the maximum potential of the calves. Feeding behaviour is monitored over a 48-hour period. We have today's information compared with yesterday. We will get information regarding consumptions, break-offs and drink speed. This has got a very easy user interface. At the press of one button, I can view the animal list down here, and we can see that any calves are on alarm. I can check its consumption today compared with yesterday, and also its drink speed today compared with yesterday. The information that you receive regarding the feeding behaviour will give you an early warning to any health issues that may be arising. The milk replacer is freshly prepared, thereby reducing the risk of any bacterial build-up. The mixer flask will automatically check the calibration of water and powder as it's being mixed and fed to the calves. Thereby we ensure we get the right concentration of water and powder being fed at all times. Sensors in the flask and in the boiler ensure that the water temperature is maintained at the correct temperature for mixing and feeding to the calf. So mixing in small portions ensures that the milk is dispensed at the correct concentration, where it's much more natural for the calf to be on a little and often feeding system. Thereby we will ensure that we have reduced the risk of any nutritional upset. Feed plans can be designed to achieve the target growth rates that you desire. We start with a low level of milk feeding at the start of the plan, increasing up to the maximum. We would hold them on that level for a period of time and then wean them over a 14-day period to give us a nice gradual reduction in milk, thereby increasing the amount of concentrate the calf will eat, so we got a nice smooth transition from milk to concentrate intakes without any weaning check being applied. During the milk feeding stage, it's also very important the calf has access to fresh straw, fresh water and concentrate at all times. This will help to give good rumen development. As well as performance and health benefits, the feeders can save considerable time in labour. More importantly, there's a flexibility of time that allows you to visit the calves at a time that's convenient to you, not when they have to be fed. We can now give even more flexibility with the Vario Smart, coupled together with the Förster Technik's cloud-based storage system and calf app. We're able to view the calves, machine and all the feeding information remotely without the requirement to be next to the machine.